Princess of Cebu her about her cousin Donato. She says that Donato is an accused in a case. As far as she knows, they have applied for bail and paid the recommended amount. Since Donato is not yet needed to testify in the said case, Donato asked for the court's permission to travel to Canada to attend a family reunion. The private complainant opposed Donato's motion. Thus, the court did not allow Donato to travel. Princess wants to know why this is so when the bail had been paid by a known insurance company. Princess, in the similar case of Matnotok versus Court of Appeals, GR number L-62100, the Supreme Court held that as petitioner has failed to satisfy the trial courts and the appellate court of the urgency of his travel, the duration thereof, as well as the surety to the proposed travel, they found no abuse of judicial discretion in their having denied petitioner's motion for permission to leave the country. A court has the power to prohibit a person admitted to bail from leaving the Philippines. This is a necessary consequence of the nature and function of a bail bond. Rule 114, Section 2 of the Rules of Court defines bail as the security required and given for the release of a person who is in the custody of the law, that he will appear before any court in which his appearance may be required as stipulated in the bail bond or recognizance. Its object is to relieve the accused of imprisonment and the state of the burden of keeping him, pending the trial, and at the same time to put the accused as much under the court as if he were in custody of the proper officer, and to secure the appearance of the accused as to answer the call of the court and do what the law may require of him. The condition imposed upon him to make himself available at all times whenever the court requires his presence operates as a valid restriction on his right to travel. Indeed, if Donato may be allowed to leave the Philippines without sufficient reason, he may be placed beyond the reach of the courts. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at newscenterptv4@gmail.com. Attorney JJ Jimeno-Atienza for the Rule of Law.